Is it even possible to find a perfect camera? Before I answer that question, story time. When I started making videos a few years ago, I had no idea just how important good lighting, audio, and storytelling was. They are arguably even more important than the camera itself. Listen, you could pay $3,000 for a camera, but if your audio and lighting is off, it won't even matter. And honestly, that's a big reason why this whole time I've just been rocking my GoPro Hero 5 and an iPhone. I know that's kind of backwards. You're like investing in audio and lighting before the camera itself, but I wasn't even sure if I was gonna like this hobby, and I'm not trying to sell a kidney. With that being said though, as much as my iPhone and GoPro have been absolute workhorses for me, I decided it was time to upgrade my video game. Get it? Like, I made gaming videos, no? Okay. So to put things in perspective, before I even started researching cameras, I basically knew nothing about them. So researching was a nightmarish rabbit hole. For months, I got stuck in this never-ending cycle of what I would like to call feature creep. Every time I found the perfect camera, I would find another one that's even better, and then another one, and then another one. Like, no matter how deep I dove into the rabbit hole, there was always something better. It just didn't freaking matter. I got completely lost in the sauce looking up features and specs and just diving deeper and deeper till I got to the point where I was looking at cameras that could shoot 6K footage, but they were like $3,000. And when I finally saw that price tag, I was like, whoa, 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 Mike, we need to calm down. And that got me thinking, like, hold up, what are the best features for me? Man, I'm actually starting to sweat. There was a silver lining to this nightmare though. I actually figured out what specs I wanted out of my camera. It needed to be budget friendly, give me that blurry background, external HDMI or webcam support, external audio, and basically be in a small package at the same time. That's where I ran into my next problem. I could not find a camera that could do all that. Action cameras were a no-go because they couldn't give me the blurry background image I was looking for, and the point and shoot or interchangeable lens cameras, while they checked like basically all the boxes, the package was just too big. Pause. They were nice, but they were like I don't like all that like flip out screen with the lens, and just like, it just feels like it's just too much to like take with me and just go. Like, I felt like I just wanted to be able to whip it out, bam, ready to go without this big thing in my face and just like drawing a bunch of attention to myself. I was about to call it quits doing all this research. I was just getting so discouraged trying to find the perfect camera. And honestly, I would have probably been just fine with my GoPro and iPhone. Solid options for making videos. Until one day I was scrolling YouTube and I found this video talking about this upcoming DJI Pocket 3. I initially dismissed this camera because I thought it was just another GoPro with a couple extra bells and whistles. But after watching a few more videos, I was like, hold up, this might be the camera I'm looking for. Next thing you know, I took a leap of faith, told DJI to shut up and take my money, and a few days later, my camera was sitting at my door. Now, I'm not gonna go into like specific detail about this camera, but it was almost as if DJI was reading my mind and designed this camera like precisely for me. If I wanted to use it as a webcam for work calls or use it for gaming videos, it's got me covered. If I feel like vlogging and need solid external audio, no sweat. Or did I want to take videos of my cats? Boom. The best part is that it can do all these things, and it's in this tiny little package that provides like literally everything I need, and I can fit it in my pocket. But honestly, at the end of the day, I don't really think you can just use this blanket statement and call any single camera the perfect camera. Like, what's perfect for me could be entirely different from what's perfect for you. The best thing you can do is just put your thinking cap on, figure out what sort of features and specs you want out of your camera, do your own research, and just find a camera that's in your budget that works for you. And then that's the perfect camera, is the one that you want. If you made it this long in the video, I appreciate you. Hopefully, if you're running into the same issues that I did, this helps give you some sort of insight and inspiration to like figure out what you want. If you like seeing my face, you can hit the subscribe button. I'm kind of throwing spaghetti at the wall right now. I mostly make gaming videos, but who knows what I make in the future. Anyways, until next time, peace.